everybody, it's Isabel, and today I'm going to be talking to you about percentages. Percentages is a piece of a number. So we're going to be figuring out what the percent is of the colored. So we're going to count the colored squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is 16. So we have 16 out of 100. Now what you can do is you can use a calculator. So with the calculator, you would type in 16 divided by 100. And then times your answer by 100. So the answer is 16. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications when we post.